So how do you enter a contest? Well, it's it's very easy. If you hear people and you just sit and listen to a guy, and if he says, hello, Joe, Whiskey 2, Whiskey 3, Lima Papa Lima, this is M0 MCX, you're 5 and 9, number 3. And then the next time Callum gives out, it's 5-9 number 4, and then it's 5-9 number 5. You know he's just giving out sequential numbers. Now, you can do that on a spreadsheet, or normally your logging program. You could either trick or tell it, this is a contest, start giving numbers out from 1, 2, 3, and sequentially. You just keep giving them out. So that's it. That's actually how you enter a contest. I've had people call me on a contest and giving me a number and say, now they've actually said to me, but I'm not in the contest. I said, well, you are now. They might not be submitting their log, but it's important you do. It really is important you do. Even as a check log, all right? It's called a check log, just for the organisers, so they can go, sanity check the whole thing, make sure that guy in France and the guy in Poland really did speak to you at that time. Keeps their logging software, all kind of hooked together, all right? Now, what I normally do is I do a search on the internet for contest service or contest calendar, right? Now, this is an old one, SM3CER. I'm not quite sure if he still keeps this up to date, actually. No, it goes out of date 2018. So, contest calendar. Never quite sure how I'm supposed to. So here's an 8-day contest calendar. Oh gosh, got everything in it. Look, I find that very difficult, but there we are. So what's happening next weekend? So I'm recording this on the 7th, 2 7 to 14. So on February the 13th, which is a Saturday, we've got CQ, WW, RITI, WPX contest. You can click that. It will give you the basic rules, but it will also give you the absolute rules from the organisers. And there it is. You do read them, because, I remember there was a contest once giving shoe sizes, 10.5, extra wide, heights, ages. There's an Asian contest which coincides with SSB Field Day in the UK. It's Asia, and they give their blooming name. They give their blooming ages away. So what you have to do is you contact them, and they're not really interested because they know you're on Field Day and they're on the All Asia contest, and you have to just blag it. Agree amongst yourselves, if there's more than one of you, that you'll give out this number. So you just give out 21. And sometimes they'll actually run 2 locks quickly, you see, and they'll go, oh yeah, I'll give you a Field Day number. Don't worry about it. And they give you a sequential number. That's how to enter a contest. It's really easy.